Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how fast I can solve all of these 3 cubes. 2x2 Rubik's Cube, the Ivy Cube, and the triangular prism cube. Let's put it to the test. So now I'm going to mix them up. Oh, I'm very nervous right now. It's really hard to mix up this cube. Okay. I'm just going to scribble. Okay, now all of the cubes are mixed up. So I'm going to turn on my stopwatch. And let's see how fast I can do this. 3, 2, 1. Oh, this is really nerve-wracking. Oh, that one's solved. This cube is always so... It's all about luck on this cube. That one's solved. Oh no, wrong one. No! That was a waste of time. A little bit left. Solved. Let's see, how much was that? 45 seconds. Oh, 1 minute 45 seconds. Okay, not that bad. It was nearly 2 minutes for 3 cubes. But I guess that's that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.